I want to be remembered for helping people create awesome things. Monomi Park started back in 2014 and was started by Nick Popovich and Mike Thomas. We're a studio of creators, people that are very interested in being deep in the process and having their fingers in things and creating exciting and beautiful and weird and wiggly experiences overall. Slime Rancher 2 started as an idea for an expansion for Slime Rancher 1, and it was just going to be a new zone, a new place for players to explore in the world. As we sort of started to explore the idea of what we wanted that expansion to be, we realized our ambitions were much larger than just an expansion would allow for. We wanted to do a lot more graphically. We wanted to change things in terms of performance. We wanted to build a bigger and better world across the board. So the desire for Slime Rancher 2 really ultimately came from a desire to ship the next generation of Slime Rancher, taking advantage of the newest generation of technologies from Unity. The editor just brings so much tooling to the table for a small team. When Mike and Nick started exploring the idea of Slime Rancher, and they had a limited amount of time and they couldn't sit down and spend all of their time building tools, that's where the editor came in. The 3D editor in Unity is a very powerful tool. It allows people to iterate very quickly on ideas and get ideas out there and into builds that they can play, and they can try out ideas very quickly. That was invaluable to Nick and Mike. The other reason was C#. Mike came from a background where he had been spending a lot of time working in Java-based environments, and the C# language was a smaller step than some other languages might have been into a new environment. For me, Unity's support for multiple platforms and building for multiple platforms is one of its most important core features. It just simply, we wouldn't have been successful without Unity's multi-platform capabilities. The fact that it abstracts away most of the details for these platforms just saves a small team like Monomi Park's a tremendous amount of time. Custom HDRP from Unity was the absolute cornerstone of our goal of providing a much better graphical experience, or a much higher fidelity graphical experience in Slime Rancher 2. So source code is essentially access license to being able to get at the full source code of the Unity editor and Unity players and the surrounding packages. We adopted the Unity source read license so that we could dive in and discover what was going on under the hood in some cases. Unity's PhysX integration and implementation has been absolutely essential for Slime Rancher, which is a physics sandbox game that allows players to just see stories emerge out of the random interactions of physical objects. Unity is a very large organization. Integrated Success has been our eye into that organization. It has allowed us to gain a lot more insight into issues that we've submitted to Unity. Our partner relations manager helps us discover issues that in some cases we didn't even realize we were ready to bring to Unity or that we really had.